Your kidneys work non-stop, filtering your blood about 50 times every single day. But what if one common food is quietly damaging them with every bite? Today, we are exposing one of the worst foods for kidney health: processed meat. If you eat it regularly, this video could change how you see your next meal. Processed meat looks harmless. It is convenient, tasty, and everywhere. Bacon at breakfast, sausages at lunch, deli meat in sandwiches. But behind the flavor is a chemical load your kidneys were never designed to handle long term. Let us break this down clearly and simply. Number 1. Sodium overload. Processed meats are sodium bombs. One serving can contain more than half of your daily sodium limit. Your kidneys must remove excess sodium to maintain fluid balance. When overwhelmed, blood pressure rises, damaging the tiny filters inside the kidneys called nephrons. A rare population study from Japan showed that people with the highest sodium intake had faster kidney function decline even without diabetes or hypertension. That means damage can begin silently, long before symptoms appear. Your kidneys do not warn you until significant loss has already occurred. Think of sodium like sand in an engine. A little is fine. Too much grinds the system down. Processed meats deliver sodium in a form that absorbs quickly and stays longer in the bloodstream, forcing the kidneys to work overtime with no recovery break. Number 2. Phosphates you never see. Processed meats contain inorganic phosphate additives. These are used to preserve color and texture. Unlike natural phosphorus in whole foods, these additives are absorbed almost 100% in the gut, making them far more dangerous to the kidneys. Clinical research in nephrology journals shows that high phosphate levels accelerate kidney scarring and vascular calcification. Even people with normal kidney function showed elevated phosphate hormones after eating processed meat compared to unprocessed protein. Here is the scary part. Phosphate additives are rarely listed clearly on labels. They hide under names like sodium phosphate or calcium phosphate. Your kidneys cannot distinguish them from natural minerals, but they react very differently inside the body. Number 3. Saturated fat and kidney inflammation. Processed meats are loaded with saturated fats that trigger systemic inflammation. This inflammation does not stay in your arteries. It reaches kidney tissue, increasing oxidative stress and reducing blood flow to filtering units. An experimental study found that high saturated fat diets increased fat deposition directly inside kidney cells. This process is called renal lipotoxicity. It reduces filtration efficiency and increases the risk of chronic kidney disease progression. Imagine pouring grease into a water filter. Over time, it clogs. That is what repeated exposure to processed meat fats does inside your kidneys. The damage is slow, cumulative, and often ignored until lab numbers suddenly look frightening. Here is the bigger picture. Processed meat does not attack your kidneys in one dramatic moment. It erodes them quietly through sodium pressure, phosphate toxicity, and inflammatory fats. Together, these create a perfect storm that accelerates kidney aging far beyond your actual age. The good news is powerful. Studies show kidney markers improve within weeks of reducing processed meat intake. Lower sodium improves blood pressure. Lower phosphate reduces hormonal stress. Lower saturated fat improves renal blood flow. Your kidneys respond quickly when given relief, so what should you do instead? Choose fresh protein: eggs, fish, lentils, beans, and unprocessed poultry. Read ingredient lists. If phosphate is added, skip it. Your kidneys are not asking for perfection, they are asking for consistency. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone who eats processed meat daily. Protecting your kidneys means protecting your future energy, focus, and lifespan. Subscribe for more science-based nutrition breakdowns that actually matter. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Trust your gut and fix your life.